Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can unsubscribe the Equifax subscription. So let's jump right in. To begin, open your browser and head over to the official Equifax website at equifax.com. Once you're there, click on the Login button at the top of the page and sign in using your registered email and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From the main menu or side panel, click on the Subscription section. Then select Subscription Plan to view the details of your current active services. Here, you'll find a section labeled My Active Plans. This is where all your ongoing Equifax subscriptions are listed. Look for the plan you wish to cancel. You should see an option that says Cancel Plan or Cancel Subscription. Click on that button. Equifax may ask you to confirm your choice or provide a reason for canceling. Just follow the prompts, confirm your decision, and your subscription will be canceled immediately or at the end of your current billing cycle depending on their terms. Once it's done, you'll receive a confirmation message or email letting you know that your Equifax subscription has been successfully canceled.